welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's an amazing cantaloupe strawberry lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious and amazing, refreshing lemonade. These are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, of course, the cantaloupe flavor, strawberries, lemons, 1 liter of water, and of course, 1 cantaloupe. Of course, granulated sugar. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. First things first, making my simple syrup. It's so easy to make. 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. We're going to take it to the stove until it starts boiling. And when you see no more sugar, granulated sugar, turn it off and let it rest. Come to room temperature. And here I have my lemons and I'm getting all that amazing juice out. These are organic lemons from my garden. And of course, the cantaloupe. The cantaloupe, I'm going to remove the edges so that it doesn't run away from me. And being very careful, I'm going to remove the skin without removing the pulp. And once this is done, I am going to use the seeds. So I'm not going to remove the seeds. The seeds have so much properties. So I'm going to leave them behind. When I make this amazing lemonade, I am going to put it through a sifter. But let me show you how this looks. Just as is, I am going to put it aside and continue with the other half. And now I have my strawberries here. I am going to remove the little edges. I am going to take them, rinse them very good, disinfect them. And once they're ready, I am ready to first use a little bit of slices of the cantaloupe and use some strawberries and cut them in small little cubes so that I could add it into the pitcher and into my glass. Let me tell you, make sure that you cut these little pieces really small. So if you're using a straw, you could really pull those little pieces through your straw. Well, here I'm just going to mix them really good. And this is going to be the topping for my glass full of ice with this amazing lemonade. I'm going to put it aside and I am going to continue blending the rest of the ingredients. I have my blender cup. I'm going to add the cantaloupe. I am going to add the strawberries right on the top. To this, don't forget to add a pinch of salt. This is going to help to reduce the acidity of the lemon. Just a small pinch of salt. You're going to use your simple syrup. Remember that the syrup and the sweetness is to taste. Some water, and then don't forget to add the little package of Zuko. This has such an amazing concentrated flavor of melon, and the color that it gives your lemonade, just amazing. So let's blend completely for a couple minutes. And once it's nice and blended, we are going to put it through a sifter. We are going to remove the pulp. Look at this. This is what takes a little longer so that you remove all that pulp and then you're ready to pour into your pitcher. Yes, there's a little bit of foam. Don't worry. Add the rest of your water, and then when you're ready and you see the foam come up to the surface, you could remove it very easily. I like removing it so the foam, it's not in my lemonade. But if you want to leave it behind, it's okay. You decide. But here I am going to remove all the foam and then look at the texture. This lemonade is so refreshing. The flavor combination of the cantaloupe and strawberry, just amazing. Remember to add some of your fruit and mix very well. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. My friends, I am completely done with this cantaloupe strawberry lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting. My lemonade, excuse me. So refreshing. The flavor of the cantaloupe and strawberry, just amazing. Perfection made at home. If you liked and love this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing cantaloupe strawberry lemonade made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.